Hello, traders. Welcome to another episode of our weekly analysis. I remain your humble host, Mr. Wex. Before we dive into this week's analysis or the coming week's analysis, let's take a look at last week's analysis. What happened with regards to our projection? So, quickly, this is gold. We're expecting a quick push to the upside after we would have seen a breakout in price, and we were expecting price to challenge the previous high or probably take out this high if price breaks out of this zone. Of course, we also expected to see if we do not get a push in the bullish direction, we expected price to push downwards and of course head towards this demand zone. But of course, we did get the push to the upside, and price did terminate at 34.31, and we did see a correction back into our breakout zone. Now, on US30, we're strongly bullish on US30, so price did do a little bit of a correction. Of course, this is Monday price, market open on Sunday, gap down a little bit, which is a correction we expected for price to correct back into this point with which it broke out from. Then of course we expected price to push to this 42,289 level, but of course we did not get price pushing all the way to that level. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into this week's analysis. And of course, I'm just going to start here with US30. So US30, I'm still going to be very bullish on it. Taking a look at this level, price has reacted to this level previously, and we did see, let's look at this level as well. So currently price closed around this intermediate demand. So this is it. So of course price did close around this demand on Friday. So basically what I'm expecting to see from US30 is I'm still expecting to see a further push in price. Then of course, if price cannot take out this high, then we should see a break in this trend line. If we get a proper break in this trend line, so this is not a proper break for me because it is trading within this demand zone. So a proper break would be for it to probably push down, retest, then of course. So this is what we're looking at. So we have a continuous drop back into the zone, a retest either to this zone or to the trend line. Then of course we can be looking out for shorts. Right. So if the shorts are going to be holding, then of course I'm going to be looking at this level. That is a liquidity level. You could see price created a wick at this level. Then we saw the bullish momentum still holding. So this is my expectation. If we have a break of this zone, then of course we are heading downwards. But of course, for the bullish perspective, I want to see this intermediate structure taken out. This is a 4-hour time frame. So if price takes out this structure, then this level is a very possible target. It's a very possible target. So basically, if price takes out the high, this structure right here, I'm going bullish on US30. If we have a possible drop, a retest, then I'm going bearish on US30. So basically this week, US30, I'm just gonna wait to see whichever direction price would react to, then I will just react to what price or what market will be doing. So quickly, let's jump to gold, back to our 4-hour time frame. So on gold, let's look at it. All right. So on gold, basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make it very easy. So as I pull my fib on gold, so these are my possible expectation on gold looking at the 4-hour time frame. So I'm expecting to see a further dip in price towards this zone. So gold, I'm expecting a further dip in price towards this zone. So anything from my 23 is a buy area for me. So basically, this is my expectation on gold. I'm expecting to see a further drop back into the 23 or back into this zone. Then we should see price shift to the bullish direction. So this is basically what I'm looking out for on gold. Gold, I'm gonna be waiting for price to take out this low. Okay, let's mark out that price level so that we can keep an eye on it. All right, so basically this is it. So selling all the way to this area. Of course, this is the ultimate low. If you are taking a look at this zone to the left hand side, which is our demand, so this is the demand on gold that I'm going to be paying attention to this particular week on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking forward to see a drop in price towards this zone, and of course any reaction around this zone is a buy for me. Then of course this analysis becomes nullified if we see price break and close below this structure. If it breaks and close below this structure, then of course we can look forward to the sell bias, maybe for price to drop towards 31.04 level. So for me, I'm still bullish on gold. I'm bullish on gold. A drop, then a reaction, then we are going for the buy. So this is basically what I'm looking out for on gold. Please, if this is your very first time of coming across my video, do well to like and share it, and subscribe if you have not already done that, and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I drop contents like this or any other educational content, you will be the very first to be notified. Until then, see you in the winning side. Peace.